Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is GitHub repo for Gemini CLI, and I have a new project. I'm going to pass Gemini. And this project, just so you get an idea for what it's supposed to do, is it's going to take it's going to read this text file, and then it's going to pass it to a PDF generator. And let's give it a second to load. Control B to show the directory. Here are all the files and main. Now, as it happens, I didn't create a README file for this, so let's ask Gemini to create a README file. So let's go to the let's try it right inside of Cursor. Control Shift. Right, let's make sure we're in the right place, and now let's type Gemini. And we're going to use. All right, so Gemini is up and running. All right. Tell me about the files in this directory. Okay. It's got input text, generates a PDF for each. Okay, so it's all right. So write a readme.md file describing this project. Okay, must be absolute. I'm not quite sure. All right, so it's yes, allow once. Okay, list all files in the directory. Okay, it said that it listed them, but where? Okay, so it didn't list them for me. Let's go back to the file. All right, let's take a look at the README. Looks pretty good. Oh, okay. Let's change that. Alice, Bob, Charlie, save. Okay, and now update the readme.md file to reflect the input.txt changes. Okay. Read input.txt again. Yes, allow once. Okay, let's take a look. There it is, the changes are made. Okay, let's see, let's go ahead and give it something a little more difficult. For example, okay, let's actually just see if it can run the script for me. Run, or rather, start main.py. And I'm on a 6-year-old laptop, so it's incredibly slow. And theoretically, all of this is happening locally. And okay, so let's see what it has. I can't run because it's interactive script that prompts room. I can't provide that input, all right? However, I can modify it to accept the command line arguments instead. So I'm going to just copy that, Control C, let's see if that works. And now I'll create a new terminal, PowerShell, ls, make sure we're in the right place, Control Shift V. Okay, it says I only have 5 fonts, which is weird, but we'll go with that. Font size, go with default, message default, enter a new message, I'll use default, and there we go. Let's take a look. Reveal, Let's see if it's going to work. No. I need to install a PDF viewer. Okay, Alice, hello and welcome. All right, that's pretty much what I wanted, and that's what I got. So that concludes a very basic description of Gemini interacting with code and interacting with a README file, etc. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.